friends, welcome back to Origami World. I am Sanadhya and I am 12 years old. So today we are going to make this interesting model, also called a modular icosahedron. So let's get started. So for making this model, you are going to need square sheets. I have divided the square sheet into 4 bits and you are going to need 30 of these bits. So let's start making the model. First, you need to make a fold right here, like this. Then unfold and make this edge come to the center and make a crease. Repeat on the opposite side. Unfold both of them. Now you need to fold this corner and this corner to these edges. Then on the opposite side. Yes. Now fold along these folds that we just made like this, and then unfold one of them and make a fold so that this corner reaches around here like this. Now I need to fold it again and repeat on the opposite side. Lift it up and then tuck this inside the pocket. The base of the model is complete. Now I need to do the final folds. For shaping the model, you need to fold it like this. So you make a crease right here and then fold so that these corners reach over here and here. This model is called a sonobi piece. Now I have made 30 of these pieces and you are going to need these 30 pieces to create the model. Now time to arrange the pieces. First you need to understand that you need to put this edge into the pockets. So the basic arrangement is like this. Use 3 pieces to make a model like this, and now we need to go on until you use all the 30 pieces to make the final model.
activities making this model. I will soon be uploading the tutorial sheets to make it easier. If you like my videos, please like them, share them and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.